Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into your phone. So before you get started, you will want to grab this little thing, which is a SIM eject tool that comes provided with the device in the box. You can use this, or you could also, if you can find it, you can use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one, you can pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, as you can see right over here. And you have a little pinhole right here, part of the little cutout, as you can see. So you want to utilize it, push the pin in, and as you can see, the tray pops out just a tiny bit, enough for you to just pull it out. Now on the tray, you have space for only a SIM card on either side, and no SD card, unfortunately. Now you can utilize either one of these, so either the front or the back one. It's completely up to you. You can also use both of them if you want to. And from there, let's pop the card back in the device. And you'll see after a moment the enter SIM pin, at least that's for me, because I do have a pin on my SIM card. So it's wanting me to confirm it so I can actually unlock the card. And once I have done so, I can now use my phone with the SIM card, obviously. And that is how you would insert your SIM into your phone. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.